it's me Janamber and welcome back to my beauty channel. I just want to show what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do Dermaroller for my scalp, and this grows your hair longer, thicker, and you get more volume. Now this is proven actually in studies, in medical blind studies, where they did the experiment on 100 men, and after 3 months they compare which group of men had longer and thicker hair. It was this group, of course, that was using Dermarollers. More about this study I'm going to link down below in the description box. Guys, are you ready? I have bleached hair, of course, but my hair, I think it's amazing. My hairstylist was asking, what do you do? Why you have so many baby hair? I'm like, shh, this is the secret. This is the secret. Just don't tell anybody. So, I have okay hair, not perfect, nobody has perfect hair, or maybe Latin women have perfect hair. I'm actually jealous for that. But white woman with thin blonde hair, I'm blonde naturally. I'm just doing on the top of that highlights. So guys, I'm gonna show you today how I dermaroll my scalp in the 2 different ways. It takes no longer, definitely, than 5 minutes. You can apply aloe vera plant at the end, or you don't apply anything. I don't apply anything, and actually Dermaroller proven that works. It works on me. I have before much shorter hair, thinner hair, and it was like, you know, like the hair sometimes can be long, but can be like just few strings hanging there by your butt. I'm happy. I'm really happy, and you can't find many women that bleach their hair to have this kind of length, and I never had in my life extensions. So guys, are you ready? Let's jump in this video and I will show you how I do Dermaroller on my scalp. I have a Dermaroller brand that has real individual needles. I trademarked that, and my Dermaroller has real individual needles, which is not pulling your skin, and it's not giving you scars that you can have after Dermaroller. You can get scars after Dermaroller if you use fake needle Dermaroller. So I am going directly into the Dermarolling. Why Dermarolling is good for your skin? As I mentioned before, plenty of benefits to grow your hair, to have thicker, longer, stronger hair, and that's scientifically proven. Look at her, it's so cute. Oh my god. This one is a fake one, this one is a real one. Okay guys, so there are a few ways how you can do that. Basically, I'm gonna try today to show you the easiest and actually the fastest way. I'm gonna link down below my other video that I did 2.5 years ago, basically almost 3 years ago, and I did Dermaroller on oily hair. Right now I'm gonna show you guys that I do Dermaroller on just freshly washed hair. So 2 ways. You can either make ponytail like this, and you roll like this down, which I'm gonna do, and then you open your hair and just do parts. So this is how I'm doing right now. I put everything in the back. I'm taking 0.5. I have 2 Dermaroller. This is 0.5 and this is 0.75. I never use any numbing cream, and I see like more on the sides here. I feel the size, but because my hair got really thick when I filmed the video, I remember I had so much pain doing my hair. But right now, basically, I don't feel with 0.5 because I have much thicker hair. So I'm taking 0.75, which needle is much deeper. And basically, when you advance, you can use 0.75. And of course, I disinfected before and stuff like this. So I really want the camera to focus like this. So I'm taking like that, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, I'm just doing like a base roll, you know, all over my hair. If you wanna have, like, for example, if you're rolling, you can roll on oily hair as well, but that's gonna kind of, I don't know, I don't think it's very hygienic to, I lost count guys because I'm talking and I'm rolling at the same time. I just can't multitask. Some women can, I don't. So basically, I'm just gonna roll. Make sure that you don't roll more than like 5-10 times in one spot, because I'm still gonna go with another size Dermaroller. So basically, you can do on oily hair, but I don't recommend on oily hair because I did that before, I know, but sometimes I improve my techniques. I don't do any more on oily hair because this dirt still can go into your, you know, skin and the bloodstream. I don't do that anymore. I mean, if you want to, you can do it, but I don't anymore. I just wash my hair, and my hair started to be dry really fast. So I have this water spray if I need to spray for hair to be a little bit more smoother. That's fine. If you're gonna do this on dry, completely dry hair, it might gonna get tangled, or you're gonna pull your hair, which is gonna be painful, and you don't want to do that. So I think I went 5 times already. I don't really feel on that part, but I really feel over here in the temples. So what I'm doing right now, basically, I'm gonna take like this, I'm separating my hair, and because it's getting really dry fast after I wash it, I still spray a little bit so I make sure my hair not gonna get tangled, you know. It's very important, because I got so many messages that people don't know what to do because their hair get tangled. So I'm taking first 0.5, and I'm going just back and forth, and you know what, guys, with 0.5 I can't feel anymore. That means it's good, my hair is growing. 75, yeah, I feel it. And if you guys don't get tangled, you can go roll over back and forth 5 to 10 times. But if it gets tangled, you have to like hold with your hand and go only one direction and lift, kind of will be also safer that way to do, because you will get a little bit more benefit. The roller not gonna roll in the same spot like doing that, you know. But this is a scalp, you don't have to be that extremely careful. Like for the skin, I only roll, lift, roll, lift, roll, lift. So I'm just going straight, you know, back and forth, because I'm not pulling. Same the rest of my head, taking another section. People ask me if they can dermaroll when they have a dandruff, and as completely yes, you can do this. Feels a little bit like itchy, feels a little bit like you know, you want to like scratch and itch. That's totally normal. Your skin is going to rejuvenate and stuff like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. After, you can apply either aloe vera, or you don't apply anything. If you're really in the rush and you're lazy like me, you don't have to apply anything. I don't apply for a really long time anything, and it's growing. It's nice, it's fluffy, it has volume, and I'm really happy with my hair. And I didn't straighten and I didn't blow dry it or anything to make it look nicer, as you see, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave me down below in the comment section. All the products that I used today, wherever I forgot, I'm gonna put down below in the description box. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye, and subscribe if you haven't. Click the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.